the KEDSUM 3-in-1 hand truck is freaking amazing. So let's get into it. So here's the back of the holographic, and this is all my stuff that I lug around. I keep the KEDSUM 3-in-1 hand truck right here tucked away, which is awesome. It can go almost anywhere because that slim profile, which I love. So I'm gonna load it up with all my stuff so you could see how I do it. All right, so we're gonna keep this from rolling around. Put our brake on, bam. And then our other brake is right here, bam. So you got the little dolly part, but then you have the handle that comes out at 135 degrees, give or take. And then you can lug it around, but I actually like to use it at a 90. And then if this isn't big enough for you, go ahead and open that bad boy up some more. So we'll collapse that, we'll pick it up, and we're gonna open it all the way up to its fullest. And then we'll just push this button and collapse the handle only, just like that. And then we'll open this bad boy up, put it right there at a 90. And that's actually how I use it, which is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and load everything up, all my stuff. And I want you to know that this is freaking full. I say this is like about freaking 50 pounds on its own. But yeah, I got a lot of crap that I lug around, and it makes my life so much easier. So bam. So I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange it how I actually do use it, and I'll be right back. And this is how it would really be packed when I have to go a freaking 100 feet to the car, which is okay. Before I used to lug all that around. This I don't usually use, but I do use this from time to time. And my gloves. So this is how it would really be packed if I had to park in the guest parking and lug all my stuff around. But before, I'd have to carry all of this to where I'm going. And I know you'd say, oh, why don't you just pull up there and unload it? Well, I didn't think about that. But now I have this. So once that bad boy is loaded, take the brake off, just like that, and then boom. Where are we going? 100 feet? Let's go. 1,000 feet? Let's go. 2,000 feet? It's too much. See if we can go over this piece of grass. Oh yeah, baby. Like butter. So yeah, this is what I've been using, and I love it. So I use it in a 90-degree configuration. You can actually pull this thing up, and then you can use it in kind of like a cart like this, which I think it said it was like 135 degrees, give or take, but I don't like it like that. I guess you can use it like that, but for me, it's better in the 90-degree, for me at least. So once you push that down, that bad boy's locked in, and you can either push or you can pull, which I usually pull. But man, I got I think that's a 3-ton jack. That's my DeWalt bag full of Milwaukee tools. Yeah, I know it's kind of comical. This bag is full of tools, but this one is like the big bertha of tools, and it's freaking holding all this stuff no problem, man. Look at that. It's full of tools. This is freaking I love this thing, man. I put, just like Mike's Red Hot Sauce, I put that stuff on everything. Well, this cart, I use this stuff on everything. Or I use this thing on everything. I love it. Man. Thumbs up, thumbs down. It's a definite thumbs up. I don't want to buy the big Milwaukee thing that's $300 freaking for one little tote. No, why? When I have the KEDSUM 3-in-1 hand truck that can do exactly the same plus more. I can use it vertically, I can use it horizontally, and it's not only for Milwaukee tools, it's for all my tools. And if I need it inside the house, I could use it. I want to move something around, I could do it with the Milwaukee tool tote thing. You can only use it for the Milwaukee tools, so that sucks. This doesn't. I'm gonna keep using it throughout the week, and let's go. So according to the packaging, this bad boy can hold about 600 pounds, and then the actual metal is reinforced steel, so that's bomb. I love it. I'm not gonna put no 600 pounds on this, but I like the fact that if I needed to, I can, but I'm not, because I don't really have anything that's 600 pounds. But man, the brakes make it even more amazing. If I wanted to stretch it out, pull it from there, I can, but I don't wanna. So, yeah. So I recently came back from vacation, and I did not want to unload the SUV all by myself. My wife is busy, my kids are busy, and usually it's up to me to bring all the bags in, and I didn't really feel like it, so I was kind of procrastinating. But I just thought and had an idea that KEDSUM 3-in-1 hand truck would be perfect right now. Let's get it. La 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 la. Bam. Let me get you, bad boy. We're gonna put you to work. All right. So we're gonna open it all the way up. Bam. Collapse that bad boy. Drop that. Make sure the brakes are on so we can be safe. And we're gonna lift this bad boy up. I don't want the 135. I like the 90. Lift this all the way up. Lift that up. And boom. Let's get all of this. And let's get all of this. Oh, I forgot there was a cooler in there. I gotta go grab that. I'll be right back. Cooler. Put this to the side. I like to get all the bags first, you know? And then we'll get all the stuff that is flimsy. Now come on. Look at that. It's holding all of that. And that cooler's full. It's not to the top. It's probably like a quarter full, but still. Come on, man. Look at that. This is bomb. It's bomb diggity. Can't beat that, man. Brakes. Gotta push them like a man. This is a man's world. Bam, look at that. Where you want to put this, huh? You don't know? Me neither. Gotta ask my wife where I'm putting all this stuff. But, bam. Perfect example of what this thing can do. I love this thing, man. Before I take it up to the house, I just wanted to show you. I got all the luggage in one shot. Nothing back there. Nothing in here. Everything. One freaking shot. Look at that. It's no luggage whatsoever. This stays in here. It's the baby's stroller, so that don't count. But everything. One shot. Come on, man. What more can you ask for? La, 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 la. Straight through the grass, baby. Come on now. What more can you ask for? All right, so you can't go through the grass, but where it shines is on these flat surfaces. See that? Got this whole freaking mess. It's not mess, it's my luggage, but come on, man. That's bomb. I love this thing. And I almost forgot to mention how compact this bad boy is. Look at that. Folds away nice and easy, nice and slim. And you can stick that bad boy any way you like. Once I get over this little hoop right there. Hoopla, hoopla. Bam. Look at that. Along with all the other crap I got. Perfect spot. And the best part is, it comes with everything you need to set it up. Unlike my repair videos where you gotta buy stuff, this comes with the instructions and the tools to set it up. So you don't gotta buy nothing. Comes with everything you need. What more can you ask for? Seriously, what more can you ask for? So I like it. It's a thumbs up for me. I use it all the time, and I recommend you get one if you don't want to spend $300 on that Milwaukee cart that you can only cart your tools around. You can't use it for anything else. So it's my opinion. Take it how you want it. Always remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it. Thanks for watching.